In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Clio with Google or Outlook Calendar. Synchronizing these tools can streamline your workflow and ensure that your appointments and contacts are always up to date across platforms. Let's get started with these easy steps. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the search bar. Start by typing in Clio and press Enter. It's always a good habit to double-check for the correct link. You're looking for the one that starts with Clio.com. Once you find it, go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the Clio homepage where you need to look for the Log In button. Click on it and proceed to enter your credentials to access your Clio account. Next, once logged in, you'll want to navigate to Clio Manage. It's the section where you'll be able to perform various management activities, including syncing your calendars. After you're on Clio Manage, you need to locate the Settings menu. Under Settings, there's an option called Contact and Calendar Sync. Select this option to continue. If you're using Google Calendar, look for the Sign In with Google button next to the words Google Contacts and Calendars. Clicking this will direct you to a Google sign-in page. Enter your Google account information, and when prompted, make sure to grant Clio access. Enabling this permission allows Clio to sync your contacts and calendars with your Google account. Once you've given access, find the section labeled All Contacts. Here, you're going to click Enable Sync, and then confirm your choice by selecting Start Sync. This will initiate the synchronization process. For those of you using Outlook Calendar, there's a slightly different process. You need to choose the option to connect with Microsoft Office 365. After clicking this, follow the prompts that appear to log in to your Microsoft account. Again, it's crucial to authorize the connection when asked. Doing so starts the sync process, establishing a two-way flow of calendar events between Clio and your Outlook calendar. By completing these steps, you've now set up a seamless integration that keeps your calendar events synchronized across Clio and your chosen platform, whether it's Google or Outlook. This smooth operation ensures you're always equipped with the latest updates, optimizing your efficiency in managing schedules. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Stay connected and organized.